Exercise 1.1, question number 7. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Roman 1, y equal to cot inverse of cot of e raised to x square. We know that cot inverse of theta is always equal to theta here. Therefore, cot inverse of cot of e raised to x square is e raised to x square. Differentiating with respect to x, we will have e raised to x square. Derivative of this x square is x square. We know that derivative of e raised to something, e raised to that thing. Therefore, e raised to x square will remain as it is, e raised to x square, and derivative of x square will be 2x. So, final answer is 2x e raised to x square. Roman 2, y equal to cosec inverse of 1 upon cos of 5 raised to x. We know that cosec inverse of 1 upon theta is always equal to sine inverse of theta. See here, cosec inverse of 1 upon x is always equal to sine inverse of x. Similarly, cosec inverse of 1 upon cos of 5 raised to x will be sine inverse of cos of 5 raised to x. We will convert this cos into sine. We know that cos theta is always equal to sine 90 minus theta. Cos theta equal to sine pi by 2 minus theta. Now sine inverse of sine of theta is always theta only. Pi by 2 minus 5 raised to x it remains. Differentiating with respect to x, we will get 0, that is the derivative of this pi by 2 constant. Derivative of constant is always 0 minus sine as it is. Derivative of 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x into log of 5. We know that derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. Therefore, derivative of 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x into log of 5. Roman 3, y equal to cos inverse of root of 1 plus cos x upon 2. 1 plus cos theta, see here, is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. That means we have to make half of the angle. 1 plus cos, 2 cos square. Half of x is x by 2. 2 in the denominator as it is. 2 will get cancelled. Root of cos square is cos of x by 2. Root of cos square x by 2 is cos of x by 2. Now cos inverse of cos of theta is theta only. That means x by 2 will remain as it is. Now derivative of this x by 2 is 1 half. Roman 4, y equal to cos inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta upon 2. 1 minus cos of x square upon 2 it is. We will compare it with 1 minus cos theta 2 sine square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta 2 sine square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos x square 2 sine square x square by 2. X square is the angle, we have to make half of that. 2 in the numerator will get cancelled with 2 in the denominator. Root of sine square is sine. So we will convert this sine into cos. Now sine of x square by 2 is cos of pi by 2 minus x square by 2. We know that sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Cos inverse of cos of theta is theta only. That means pi by 2 minus x square by 2. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of constant is 0. Therefore, derivative of this pi by 2 is 0 minus half as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x. This half, which is a constant along with variable, is as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x. 2 will get cancelled. What remains is minus x. Roman 5, y equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan of x by 2 upon 1 plus tan of x by 2. Okay. So, we know the result. Tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b is equal to tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab. We will read this result in the reverse way tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab is tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. Here it is a minus b upon 1 plus ab. Therefore, we can have this problem as tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of tan of x by 2. Okay, comparing with tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab, we will have tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of tan of x by 2. We can also do it by, this is the result of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse and tan can get cancel and pi by 4 minus x by 2 will remain as it is. Similarly here also tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse of tan of theta is always theta. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of constant is 0. Therefore derivative of pi by 4 is 0. This half along with x remains as it is and derivative of x is 1. So final answer is minus half. Now y equal to, Roman 6 it is, y equal to cosec inverse of 1 upon 4 cos cube of 2x minus 3 sin 3 cos 2x. Okay. Cosec inverse of 1 upon theta is always equal to sin inverse of theta. So cosec inverse of 1 upon 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x is sin inverse of 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. We know that cos 3 theta is always equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. See here, cos 3 theta, in place of theta we will assume 2x here, or we will place 2x here. Cos 3 theta is always equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos 3 times 2x is 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So this is the result of cos 3 theta, and we can have in simplified manner as cos of 3 times theta means here 2x. Now cos theta, we can have this cos 3 into 2, that is cos of 6x. Cos theta is always equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin inverse of sin of theta is theta only, that means pi by 2 minus 6x. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of this constant pi by 2 is 0. Minus 6 along with the variable as it is, derivative of x is 1. So minus 6 here is the dy by dx. Roman 7, y equal to tan inverse of 1 plus cos x by 3 upon sin x by 3. We know that 1 plus cos is 2 cos square. See here, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Here also we will write 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. X by 3 is angle. So we have to make half of that x by 3. Half of x by 3 is x by 6. Sin double theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. See here, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So that we can have here, in place of this sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. That means we have to make half of this angle now. Half of x by 3 is x by 6, x by 6. Sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin double, 2 sin cos is the result. 2 will get cancelled, cos will get cancelled, and cos upon sin will give you cot here. So cot of x by 2 remains. We will convert this cot of theta into tan 90 minus theta. Now tan inverse of tan of theta is theta only. It will become pi by 2 minus x by 6 now. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of this pi by 2, that is a constant thing, is 0. And derivative of this x by 6 minus x by 6, I will say it is minus 1 by 6. Okay. Roman 7 Roman 8 it is y equal to cot inverse of sin 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Sin double 2 sin cos 1 plus cos 2 cos square. Okay, no. So sin 3 theta is 2 sin theta by sin 3x is 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. 1 plus cos 2 cos square. Sin double 2 sin cos 1 plus cos 2 cos square. In each case we have to make half of the angle. Angle is 3x, so we have to make it 3x by 2, 3x by 2, 3x by 2. Okay, this cos and cos will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. Sin 3x by 2 upon cos 3x by 2 will give you tan 3x by 2. We will convert this tan as cot 90 minus theta. Cot inverse of cot of theta will give you theta only, that means pi by 2 minus 3x by 2 remains. Differentiating this constant pi by 2 as 0 and minus 3 by 2 along with this variable x will remain as it is, and derivative of x is 1 here. So final answer is minus 3 by 2. Now Roman 9 y equal to tan inverse of cos of 7x upon 1 plus sin 7x. Cos double, the result of cos is in another form here. Cos double is cos square minus sin square. We have to make half of the angle. Cos double, cos square minus sin square. We have to make half of the angle, that is 7x by 2, 7x by 2. 1 we can write as cos square plus sin square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here sin double is 2 sin cos. We have to make half of the angle, that is 7x by 2, 7x by 2. As we are interpreting the angles in 7x by 2, so we should interpret this one sin square theta plus cos square theta. Theta should be 7x by 2 here. Okay. We can factorize that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So cos square minus sin square will give you cos plus sin into cos minus sin. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that means a plus b bracket square. Cos square plus 2 sin cos plus sin square will give you cos plus sin bracket square. Once again I will say a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now cos plus sin in the numerator will get cancelled with cos plus sin in the denominator. What remains is cos minus sin in the numerator and cos plus sin in the denominator. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos of 7x by 2. If we divide here by cos 7x by 2, we will get 1 here. Here sin upon cos will get tan. Cos upon cos will give you 1. Sin upon cos will give you tan. We are dividing each and every term of numerator and denominator by cos of 7x by 2. So we will get cos upon cos 1, sin upon cos tan, cos upon cos 1 and sin upon cos tan. This is tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of tan of 7x by 2, because we know that tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b is always equal to tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab. In other way around, you can interpret this as tan of pi by 4 minus 7x by 2. So tan of pi by 4 minus 7x by 2, and this tan inverse will give you pi by 4 minus 7x by 2. Here also we are getting tan inverse of 1 as pi by 4, and tan inverse of tan of 7x by 2 will give you 7x by 2. Derivative of constant, that is derivative of pi by 4 is 0. Minus 7x by 2 along with this variable x will remain as it is, and derivative of x is 1 here. So final answer is minus 7 by 2. Roman 10 y equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos upon 1 minus cos. 1 plus cos 2 cos square, 1 minus cos 2 sin square. We have to make half of the angle each time. If you are writing the result 1 plus cos 2 cos square, then you have to make half of the angle. 1 minus cos 2 sin square, you have to make half of the angle. Here angle is x and half of that will be x by 2. 2 in the numerator will get cancelled with 2 in the denominator. Cos square upon sin square is cot square and root of cot square is cot. We will convert this cot into tan of 90 minus theta. So tan inverse of tan of theta is now pi by 2 minus x by 2. Derivative of this constant pi by 2 is 0. Derivative of x by 2 is half, minus sign is as it is. Hence the answer. Roman 11, y equal to tan inverse of cosec plus cot here. Cosec means 1 upon sine, angle as it is. Cot means cos upon sine, angle as it is. Now as denominator is same here, so we can add the numerator as 1 plus cos, denominator sign as it is. 1 plus cos is 2 cos square. Sine double 2 sine cos. We have to make half of the angle each time. 1 plus cos 2 cos square. Sine double 2 sine cos. Half of the angle x is x by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Cos x by 2 and cos x by 2 will get cancelled. Still cos x by 2 remains in the numerator. So cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2 will give you cot of x by 2. Tan inverse of cot of x by 2 here. We will convert this cot into tan because cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. Tan inverse of tan of theta is always theta only. Pi by 2 minus x by 2 is your simplified y, simplified function. Differentiating, we will get derivative of pi by 2 as 0 and minus x by 2, derivative of that is minus half. That is the answer. Now, Roman 12, y equal to cot inverse of root of 1 plus sine plus root of 1 minus sine upon root of 1 plus sine minus root of 1 minus sine. Angle is 4x by 3. We will simplify this term 1 plus sine 4x by 3 first. 1 is cos square plus sine square, or sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sine double is 2 sine cos. We have to make half of the angle in this 4x by 3. 4x by 3, half of the angle is 4x by 6, or you can write it as 2x by 3 also. Okay. So this 4x by 6 is the angle now. So we will have this 1 as cos square 4x by 6 plus sine square 4x by 6. Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore it is a plus b bracket square. Okay. So root of now this 1 plus sine 4x by 3 is cos of 4x by 6 plus sine of 4x by 6. Once again, this sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. What angle we are getting here? 4x by 6. So we will convert, or we will write this one in form of cos square theta plus sine square theta, but we will choose the angle 4x by 6. Okay, this a square plus 2ab plus b square will give you a plus b bracket square. Now we can take root of both the sides and we will get root of 1 plus sine 4x by 3 as cos of 4x by 6 plus sine of 4x by 6. Similarly, we can have root of 1 minus sine 4x by 3 as cos of 4x by 6 minus sine of 4x by 6. Now, in place of this root, we will get cos of 4x by 6 plus sine of 4x by 6. In place of root of 1 minus sine 4x by 3, we will have cos of 4x by 6 minus sine of 4x by 6. Similarly, in the denominator, we will put the values in the simplified form. And now this sine 4x by 6 minus sine 4x by 6 will get cancelled. Cos of 4x by 6 plus cos of 4x by 6 will give you 2 cos of 4x by 6. Cos minus cos in the denominator will get cancelled. Now sine plus sine will give you 2 sine of 4x by 6. 2 will get cancelled. This cos upon sine will give you cot of 4x by 6. So y will be cot inverse of cot of 4x by 6. That is 4x by 6 only. 4x by 6 is nothing but 2x by 3. 2x by 3, derivative of that, 2 by 3 is the constant thing as it is, and derivative of x is 1. Once again, 2 by 3 is along with constant x. it will remain as it is, and derivative of x is 1 here. Okay, so if you understand this, then you can give a like to this video, and also you can share this video with needy students. Thank you. Thanks a lot.